guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first visit, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life, managing money, and monetizing what you know. So you've picked this planner and it's absolutely beautiful. You picked the perfect cover, you purchased stickers, the paper quality is amazing, and you are so excited to start using it, but you don't know what to write in it. So today I wanted to give you some ideas of different things that you can write in your planner. Number one, important dates. You can use your monthly spread to write down any important dates like birthdays, anniversaries, car insurance renewal dates, the last time you got your oil changed, or anything else that doesn't happen on a consistent basis. These once every couple of months or once a year events need to be written down so that you don't forget. This will also give you ample time to plan things that you need to do or even budget for the extra expense that these dates can bring. Number two, summaries from books. You guys know that I love reading, and I just recently purchased a Kindle Paperwhite reader so that I can read more books, and I love to summarize my reads in my planner. I will take the top points, quotes, I'll add the book cover to my spread, I'll even rate the book as a whole and add when I finished it. It's a great way to look back on all of the books that you have read, and it's one of my favorite planners to flip through. It's so pretty once it's done. Number three, quotes. Piggybacking off of book summaries, sometimes I will see a quote that's just too good not to write down. You can create a spread of your favorite quotes so you can have a place to look back and read them when you need a pick-me-upper. I have done this with money quotes, inspirational quotes, productivity quotes, anything that I need that will help me whenever I am in a slump. Adding your quotes to your planner will definitely make you happy when you need it most. Number four, your day. Yes, you automatically need to plan for your appointments for the day, but you also have a bunch of little things that you have to do throughout the course of the day that you may not want to forget. The best way to remember everything that you need to do is to write it down. I basically write my to-do list in my hourly planner, and I add it to my planner so that I can actually plan how long it's going to take me to complete each task. Adding it to my hourly planner allows me to be way more realistic with my time and my to-do list, and I don't overplan my day. Number five, your goals. You have big goals, but if you don't keep them in front of you, how do you know that you're actually making progress? I like to keep my goals on my monthly calendar and also keep my weekly goals on my weekly spread. Writing them all down in my planner keeps them in the front of my mind so that I remember them, get them done, and even keep track of my progress. Number six, your budget. Now, you knew that this one was coming. My absolute favorite type of planning is budget planning. I keep my monthly budget, my paycheck budget, my important dates, where I am spending my money, my debt, my savings, a list of all of my expenses written down in my budget planner. Staying on top of your numbers is so much easier when you write it down. So yes, add your budget to your planner. Number seven, workouts. Now, I'm not that good with this one, but I have seen some other fabulous ladies on YouTube who are, and they are using their planners to keep track of their workouts. You can keep track of what type of workout you do, the length of time that you work out, how many calories you have burned, and even add a weight loss tracker. The options here are endless. Number eight, use it for faith planning. If you are looking for ways to incorporate more faith into your daily life, faith planning is a great way to do that. This is a way to document what you are learning with your personal reading time, keeping track of what God is doing in your life, and even keep track of the sermons that they're preaching in church. I love faith planning because whenever I'm feeling overwhelmed, I will just flip through this planner and read some of the lessons, and everything just feels so much better. Number nine, keeping track of your memories. A memory planner is a functional day planner that is used to plan out your day, but also to record some of your favorite memories. sort of like a scrapbook. Now, some people will make this a completely separate planner, and some people will add their memories to their daily planner, but either way, however it works for you, just take the time out to print some pictures and add your memories to your planner. It will make the planner flip through even more enjoyable. Number 10, your ideas. Your planner is a great place to store your amazing ideas. Great ideas can sometimes happen when we're driving to work or even having our morning coffee. Writing these ideas down in your planner will help you remember them as well as motivate you to get started on them. Number 11, your home. Your planner is a great place to store the upkeep of your home. Your cleaning schedule, home projects, meal planning, and even how often you water your plants can all be kept in your planner. You can also keep track of how often you have done certain things around the home that aren't a consistent thing. The options here are really endless, but you should definitely look into having some type of home section or a home planner. Number 12, your habits. If you want to start a new habit and stay consistent, you should write it in your planner. Planners are a great place to keep track of all of the things that you want to do often. I like to keep track of things like my water intake, how often I'm reading, how often I'm working out, and even my no spin days. I'll keep this all on a habit tracker. So I hope these 12 ideas will help you on your planning journey. And if you have any additional ideas of different things that you could keep in a planner, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe as I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye guys.